Bula Vinaka and very good morning to you all. The reason for this press conference is to update our media partners on the Pacific Pageant 2017 and also on the city declaration for Nandi. But first we will go on to the Pacific Pageant. That's going to happen in Nandi, and it will be for 4 days starting from 6th to 9th. 9th we will have the crowning for the Pacific Island Pageant 2017. Fiji has been given the opportunity to host the Pacific Pageant, and this is the 31st Pacific Island Pageant. The last time when Fiji hosted this pageant was in 2009, and I am told that it was a huge success. So considering that, I'm quite sure, and the response that we are getting, I'm very hopeful that we will have a very successful Pacific Island Pageant 2017 at Nandi. We have got total of 9 contestants taking part in this pageant. Last year I'm told there were 8. This year there is 1 additional. And the contestants have been arriving. I'm told that 2 already in the country, and all of them will be here by Friday. And Saturday there will be a media conference with the contestants, and I would like to see that all the media partners are there to interview. You are free to interview all the contestants that's taking part in this Pacific Island Pageant. The theme for the pageant is climate action to sustain our islands. The event organizers have decided on the theme based on the recent COP23 outcomes and in support of our Honorable Prime Minister's presidency. And this was approved by the executive to have the theme. And you will recall that all the municipal festivals and carnivals that we have, all was based on climate change. So it's only proper that we finish our final pageant with a theme that is based on climate change. Now on the city declaration, it's been deferred for next year. The reason being is that we haven't completed the infrastructure works that were supposed to be in place. That is in terms of footpath, street lights, and what we have decided is to defer, but the work is progressing well in terms of declaration, and the actual declaration that will take place will be sometimes in February next year.